Most traders open the chart and only see candles moving up and down. But experienced traders see something completely different. They see behavior, pressure, liquidity, emotion. And once you learn how to observe these things correctly, the chart starts making much more sense. So in this masterclass, I want to show you how professional traders are actually reading XAUUSD charts. Not with complicated indicators, not with predictions, but by understanding what the market is doing, step by step. So let's open the chart. Part 1. The market always leaves clues. Now look carefully at this chart. At first glance, nothing looks special. Small candles, slow movement, very little volatility. Most traders completely ignore moments like this because the market looks boring. But experienced traders usually become interested here. Watch these candles carefully. Notice how momentum is slowing down. Price is no longer moving aggressively. The market is becoming quieter. This behavior matters, because many strong moves on XAUUSD begin exactly like this. Quietly. Pressure starts building underneath price. Orders begin positioning. Liquidity starts forming around the highs and lows. And the longer this compression continues, the more important the next move can become. Now if I'm watching this live, I'm not interested in entering yet. I'm watching for pressure to build first. Now watch what happens next. Part 2. Compression before expansion. Look at this section closely. Notice how tight these candles become. The market is no longer expanding freely. Instead, price starts moving inside a smaller range. Most traders become impatient here. Some traders even leave the chart completely. But experienced traders understand something important. Compression often becomes preparation. The market is storing energy. Now watch carefully. Everything looks calm. Then suddenly, one aggressive candle enters the market. Volatility expands instantly. Momentum returns. And now emotional traders begin reacting late. But the real move did not start here. The preparation already happened earlier. This is why chart reading is so important. Professional traders study behavior before movement. Part 3. Understanding liquidity. Now let me show you something very important on XAUUSD. Look at these highs here. Notice how price slowly approaches the level. Very controlled movement. Very intentional behavior. Why do you think the market is moving toward this area? Because liquidity exists there. Many traders place stop losses above obvious highs. Breakout traders also wait there. The market understands this psychology very well. Now watch carefully. Price pushes above the highs aggressively. Many traders enter emotionally here. It looks like a strong breakout. But then, price takes the highs and immediately rejects. That reaction changes the entire story. Immediate rejection. The market reverses sharply. This is one of the most important behaviors you must understand. The market often collects liquidity before the real move begins. And once you understand this, you stop chasing emotional entries. You become more patient, more observant, more controlled. Part 4. Reading candle behavior. Now look closely at these candles. Because candles reveal much more than direction. They reveal intention. Look at this candle here. Large body. Strong momentum. Very little rejection. This usually shows aggressive participation entering the market. Now compare it with this candle. Long wick. Weak body. Immediate rejection. Very different behavior. Notice this rejection wick. This matters because aggressive buyers failed to continue higher. The market is communicating hesitation. Pressure is changing. This is why context matters so much in chart reading. One aggressive candle inside compression means one thing. But an aggressive candle after liquidity gets swept can mean something completely different. Professional traders constantly compare candle behavior with surrounding structure. Part 5. Fake breakouts. Now this part is very important. Most traders trust obvious breakouts too quickly. But XAUUSD creates fake breakouts constantly. Look at this resistance level carefully. Clean structure. Very obvious breakout area. Now watch what the market does. Price breaks above the highs. Momentum looks strong. Everything appears bullish. Many traders buy emotionally here. But experienced traders usually wait for confirmation first. Look at the reaction after the breakout. The market cannot continue higher. Momentum weakens immediately. Then price reverses aggressively. This is not random behavior. Liquidity was taken first. Then direction changed. This is why experienced traders wait for confirmation. Because the first move is not always the real move. Part 6. The high probability mindset. Now let's talk about mindset for a moment. High probability trading is not about forcing entries constantly. It's not about catching every move. And it's definitely not about predicting the future perfectly. Professional traders understand something simpler. The market always leaves clues. And patience allows you to read those clues more clearly. Sometimes the highest probability decision is doing nothing. Waiting. Observing. Studying behavior calmly. Because emotional trading usually happens when traders react too quickly, without understanding the full story behind the movement. So the next time you open the XAUUSD chart, slow down. Observe carefully. Study the behavior behind the candles. Watch the compression. Watch the liquidity. Watch the reactions after breakouts. Because the chart is always communicating something. Most traders only see candles. But experienced traders learn how to read the behavior behind them. And once you understand that, you start looking at the market completely differently. If you want to understand gold trading step by step, subscribe and watch my full gold course after this.